notification services, or to turn on or off system actions based on geolocation, go to the My Site screen and select the information icon next to the site you'd like to edit. To enable push notifications to your mobile device, select Notification Services. Make sure the push notifications toggle is slid to the right. To choose the types of events for which you want to receive notifications, select Show Event Selection. Check the desired event types. Then press Save. Select Back, then Back again to return to the Site Info screen. To turn on geolocation actions and to set the physical location by which to trigger the system based on the sunrise-sunset details, select Location Services. To set the physical location by which to trigger system activities based on sunrise and sunset times, select Edit Map. You may then adjust the map to the desired location. To choose your current location, select the map arrow. Once done, select Save Map. To enable automation triggers based on the location of your mobile device in proximity to your UltraSync system, make sure the Geo Actions toggle is slid to the right. If you'd like to be notified of your system's status when leaving the geo boundary, make sure the Check Status on Leaving toggle is slid to the right. Select Back to return to the Site Info screen. When you're done customizing your site settings, pressing Done will save the changes.